B2b SaaS content marketing. Content marketing is a form of inbound marketing that focuses on providing the right content to the right customer at the right time. It's one of the most essential elements of SaaS marketing, helping customers understand the product. When it comes to B2B content marketing, not many people know how to balance a solid strategy that delivers growth and tangible results. This stems from slow returns and misconceived value because some businesses still choose to ignore a key piece of their marketing plan: content. However, an effective B2B SaaS content marketing strategy can render itself invaluable in the long term by elevating your brand awareness and establishing yourself as an industry thought leader. It's also important to reaffirm your market positioning by offering helpful, insightful resources to your audiences. Content marketing is a form of inbound marketing that focuses on providing the right content to the right customer at the right time. It's one of the most essential elements of SaaS marketing, helping customers understand the product. Specifically, content marketing uses a strategic approach for content, including all of your blog posts, emails, ebooks, landing pages, advertisements, and more. SaaS content marketing is competitive. It's all about creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to not only attract but also retain a clearly defined audience. Your positioning, messaging, and content should show them how your product works and how it can solve their problems, then you can guide them towards testing out your tools. Essentially, SaaS content marketing allows you to take a less overtly sales-y approach to reach new customers and position your brand as a thought leader in the industry. This way, when a potential customer is ready to invest, your product will be the obvious choice. For SaaS and B2B companies, your goals should be such as: create brand awareness, educate your customers, build credibility and trust, generate leads. How to build a B2B SaaS content strategy. In order to meet your content marketing goals, you need to have a solid content marketing strategy. Your B2B SaaS content marketing strategy boils down to figuring out what content will help your target audience and inspire them to take actions that boost your business. A solid content calendar can do wonders for growing your blog and website, as long as it also includes producing top-quality content and distributing it successfully. It all begins with brand awareness. This allows you to become a resource and thought leader in your industry. In this stage, your audience simply becomes aware of your business. They aren't necessarily ready to buy in yet or join your email list or newsletter, but because of the valuable content you created, they now know who you are. Create your marketing team.